Hey, it's software engineering student here, and today we're going to be talking about interfaces. So last episode we talked about abstract classes, and an interface is kind of like an abstract class in the way that it contains abstract methods, but it only contains abstract methods. So let's create a new class, and where abstract classes and normal classes are kind of closely connected, like an animal or a bear, with interfaces we would create an interface and we would call it walking, for example. So it is like one very specific thing that's used for interfaces. And we will create a public abstract void walking method. And with all abstract methods, it doesn't contain any body. It's just the X modifier, abstract, keyword, and the return type, and the method name. So now we could go back to a normal class where we extended animal. We could implement walking. And now we would get an error, because in walking it's defined that you need to have the walking method if you implement walking. So implement method, and we implement walking, and we could just do something very simple, like printing to the screen, walking. Not very creative, but just to demonstrate the use. So now if we did behaviour walking, we wouldn't get it, because last time we created a bear type of the animal type of the bear, which means we're only allowed to use the methods from our abstract class. So we would either need to create a walking bear, it's a new bear, which means we can only use the walking method. Now we wouldn't be able to use the eating method, or we could just create a bear type bear. And now we would be able to use the walking method as well, and the eating method. Let's just print the walking method to demonstrate, and we'll get walking. So simply, an interface is it's not a class, it's something different, but it only contains abstract methods and is used to demonstrate some very specific ability or use. So now we only had one abstract method, which doesn't make a lot of sense, but you probably had a few to define what walking means. And then you could implement it for a bear, or if you had a human class or some kind of machine that was walking. So that's the basic of interfaces, created with a public interface walking and abstract methods. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time.